Hi everybody. Can a bird fly with only one set of wings? No, right? Similarly, the world cannot progress without the progress of the women. Happy International Women's Day to all. Today is 8th of March and every year 8th of March is observed as the International Women's Day by the United Nations since the year 1975. This day was inspired from the Russian Revolution, यानी कि Bolshevik Revolution. जो गोटे women worker started the revolution and it started gaining a lot of support. Finally it became the October Revolution या जाको हमें Bolshevik Revolution या Russian Revolution कहता हूँ. So this quotation that the world cannot prosper without the prospering of women, just like the bird cannot fly with only one set of wings, was actually given by Swami Vivekananda. Apart from that, we know about many other quotations. Amartya Sen, who emphasized on the women education a lot, he even said that if you want to control the population, you have to educate the women. So don't you think today is a time where women should have a lot of decision making power and should also be a part of the labor force of India and contribute towards the development of the nation? So in today's session I will do something different. Usually हमें current affair questions discuss करते हो. In today's session I will be giving you questions regarding the women and you will tell me the answers. Let's say हमको ये answers आसुचे कि नहीं. But before that I will give you the solution of the yesterday's quiz. Yesterday first question was पचारे कि Shane Warne, the cricketer, was from which country? The correct answer is Australia. Shane Warne was an Australian cricketer, bowler, right arm leg spinner, and in the IPL he represented from the Rajasthan Royals. Second question was National Safety Day, National Security Day केबे पालन करा जाए. So it is observed on 4th of March every year. एथर थीम रही Nurture Young Minds, Develop Safety Culture. Third question थिला National Security Advisor to the Prime Minister presently किए अछंते. Answer होची अजीत डोवल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 थिला Zaporizhia न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट जहाँ उपरे नो फ्लाई जोन रिक्वेस्ट करा जायतिला बाय यूक्रेन. ये को कंट्री रे अछि. So the correct answer is Ukraine itself. It is one of the largest nuclear power plant in Ukraine, in Europe. Question number 5. So we discussed about FATF, the Financial Action Task Force. Recently, United Arab Emirates have been added in the grey list of the FATF. My question was, where is the headquarter of FATF? When was FATF started? So FATF is an intergovernmental organization headquartered in Paris, France, and it was started in the year 1989 by the G7 countries. Please remember, if a country is declared in the grey list, तो यार ramifications कौन था? What is the implication of that? So the simple thing is that जो foreign investment से country को आसुचे, the foreign investors they will look for the ratings जेमती कि S&P, Fitch, Moody ये सब ratings downgrade करा जिबो. So the foreign investors will think again and again before investing in such a country. So the competitive advantage of over the export will also decline. So these all things are going on regarding UAE. Question number 6 I asked you. Other monitored jurisdiction. This is a official name, but याको local name रे कौन कौन थे? So the local name is called as the grey list. FATF or grey list को official name रे कहा जाए other monitored jurisdiction. Next question is, so you know that we are going through agricultural crisis, land area कमी जाउची धीरे धीरे, and the climate change. So we need certain kind of crop जोटा कि drought resistant रहिबो, तार harvesting period कम रहिबो, so that we can do it by irrigation या कम time रे ही crop हे जिबो. We want more nutrition. Then I asked that PB 1847, PB 1885, PB 1886 ये कहारो variety. So these are the variety of disease resistant basmati rice. As you know, India and Pakistan both have a competitive advantage in the export of basmati rice. We export it to other countries. So these are the varieties of disease resistant basmati rice. Question number 8 थिला CAPF, Central Armed Police Force. Central Armed Police Force को मिनिस्ट्री द्वारा रेगुलेट करा जाए या देखा जाए. Currently modernization phase 3 is going on. So this is looked after by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Next question thila. So as you know, AISHE, All India Survey of Higher Education, एतिरो जाना पड़े that 43% of the STEM graduates are women. However, only 14% of women end up participating in the labor force or the economic activities. So what is STEM? My question was, What is STEM? STEM ର full form होची Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics. Then last question thila UNICEF ର headquarter कोठी अछि. So friends, the headquarter of UNICEF is in New York, USA. This finishes the quiz of yesterday. Congratulations to everybody who got it correct. Now आजिरो questions को मैं discuss करबा फटाफट. So my first question of today is, who has launched the Arya Mahila Samaj in Maharashtra? Apart from that, Mukti Mission, Sharda Sadan, ए सबो mission को भी launch करा जाए छे. So who is the woman after this? Second question होचे, Gaura Devi is associated with which movement? Hint होचे, this movement took place in Uttarakhand in the year 1925 on the on the area of Alaknanda river. Third question. So this is related to one of our freedom fighters. She was from the family of Kapurthala Royal. She was born in the Kapurthala Royal family. After her education in the Oxford, she decided to participate in the freedom struggle. She was Gandhiji's secretary for a couple of years. Then, after independence, she was also the first woman cabinet minister of health in India. Who is the person I'm talking about? And this person has also laid the foundation of All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS. Then Lady Irwin College. Try to tell me who is this great woman. Question number 4. You know Nari Shakti Puraskar, every year Nari Shakti Puraskar International Women's Day re President confer karanti in the Rashtrapati Bhavan to eminent women who have contributed a lot to various sectors. This year Nari Shakti Puraskar Odisha ru kaha ko diya jai. And can you also tell me which ministry recommends the candidates, which ministry announces the prices of Nari Shakti? Question number 5. Who is called as the Nightingale of India? Question number 6. In the year 1907, the Indian national flag was hosted in Germany, Stuttgart, International Socialist Conference. Who was the woman who hosted this national flag? Question number 7 hoje. Who is the great personality in India who launched the New India newspaper, the Central Hindu College in Banaras in 1913, and she was also the first woman president of the Indian National Congress? I think ebe answer both easy hai. Question number 8. Who is called as the Grand Old Lady of India? So Grand Old Man to apan suni thibe Dadabhai Naoroji is called as the Grand Old Man. Who is called as the Grand Old Lady of India? Question number 9. In the year 1930, during civil disobedience movement and Indian freedom struggle, she launched an underground radio station on behalf of the Congress. So this broadcast radio was done by her. Who is the person I'm talking about? Question number 10. Who is called as the mother of Indian Revolution? Then question number 11. Since you know International Women's Day is going on, can you tell me what is the rank of India in the global gender gap? So these were the most important questions regarding the women, freedom fighters and the contributors of today. Got a bonus question I'll give you. This year, one of the Odia we are proud of this personality. She has been awarded with the Padma Bhushan. Who is this person? So jodi apan ko ei sabur answers jana achi, so let me know in the comment section. Tomorrow I will discuss all the solutions of these. And finally, before going, I will just say something about International Women's Day. So in the today's era, what I think is, women do not need sympathy, women do not need support. They may get support, but that does not change their position. What actually changes their position is how they work and how they prove themselves to the world. This is what is the need of the hour for the women today. They need to stand by themselves, they need to stand by other women, and also support themselves and grow themselves. They should prove themselves. So happy Women's Day, and let's crack it.